Unit 4, Lesson 12 deals with graphing special cases. Alright, we want to be able to determine whether or not an equation is a special case and know how to graph it. So here's our definition of a special case. When one of the variables, x or y, is missing from the equation. Alright, so example, you look here, over the last couple of days we've been graphing slope-intercept form. You'll notice the x is missing. Alright, or here you'll notice the y is missing. Alright, when it comes to these type of problems, what we're going to do is create 3 points with the given value in each point, alright, and then randomly fill in the rest. Okay, plot the points and connect the dots. So, when we look at example 1, the question to ask yourself is this a special case? Alright, when I look at A, I see an x right here, and I see a y right here. This is not a special case. Okay, this is a regular slope-intercept form graph, where we would say that the slope is 3 over 1, and the y-intercept is 0, 0. So we put a dot on 0, 0, and from there we would go up 1, 2, 3 over 1, up 1, 2, 3 over 1, up 1, 2, 3 over 1. We go also the opposite, down 1, 2, 3, backwards 1, down 1, 2, 3, backwards 1. All right, and go ahead and draw our line. Okay, so a quick little review of what we've been doing over the last couple days. All right, now when we look at B, we'll notice that that 3 before had an x over here. Now it doesn't. Now we have a special case. And the suggestion here is going to be to list 3 points where the y value, and I'm choosing y because that's what's in the problem. Okay, there's my y. Alright, my y value will be 3. If I jump over really quick to example C, alright, you'll notice this time it says x equals 5. So that means my x value will take the number. Okay, so in an ordered pair, x comma y, okay, depending on what you're given, whether it's a y value or an x value, alright, depends on where you put it. So again, my x's will go here, and my y's, which is right here, will go there. The other points don't matter, okay, because when we create this line, what we're saying is that all the y values are going to be 3. Alright, so because there's no x in here, I get to make it up, and usually we like to do something easy, like -1, 0, and 1. Or 1, 2, 3 if you want, whatever. Alright, and then I'm going to plot these 3 points, so -1, and then up 1, 2, 3. 0, up 3, and 1, and up 3. And you see they form a nice straight line through the y-axis at 3. Okay? And then the other one that we started already, we're going to fill in the y values the same way. -1, 0, and 1. So I have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, 5, 0, and 5, 1. We're going to connect those dots, and we're going to see a line that goes through the x-axis at 5. Alright? So when it comes to graphing the special cases, again, you have to first of all recognize that a variable is missing. And when you see that a variable is missing, alright, you can go right to your 3 points, take the variable that you do know and plug it into that spot. So again, if you know the y value, plug it into the y. If you know the x value, plug it into the x. Alright, and then make up the other 3 numbers. And that's it. Plot them, connect the dots, and that's how you graph the special cases. These 3 problems are going to be left for class tomorrow, and this is a nice short video. See you tomorrow.